एंजाइटी रेस्पिरेटरी बेल्ट मुझे रेलेवेंट नहीं लगा क्योंकि जब हमने टेस्ट किया सो मेरा लेवल वाज 2 and I was thinking about the worst thing and I was a little bit stressed.
The anxiety respiratory belt, I kind of liked the concept of it. I was really fascinated because I'm someone who's also passionate about Python. So I was really interested in the product.
I tested myself. It was good. It was something which I've seen for the first time. Instead of having 2 attachments, it should be 1 attachment where everything is combined together.
So in certain circumstances, the summer cooling jacket would be pretty beneficial, although it's a little tedious to sort of soak in the honeycomb sponge that they had and then put it in. But I guess if it does give you some breeze, I guess it would help you keep you going.
Summer cooling jacket, I did not much like it because it's like the air and not like spreading out through whole jacket. It was like in some part it was there, in some part it wasn't.
Definitely relevant, something that we need today with the kind of heat waves we've been facing. So I really think it's a useful product.